Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where I give you important topics which can come in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. Guys, these important topics I pick from current affairs by analyzing the PYQs of last 10 years. So guys, in this initiative, every day I'm going to discuss one PYQ and I'm going to link the PYQ with the current affairs, and we are going to see what kind of questions can come from that topic and the PYQ in UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. So guys, let us start. So today the very important news item was India is happy with the UNSC reform document. So guys, for the first time, United Nations Summit document has contained a, a paragraph on Security Council reform. The name of the paragraph is Pact for Future. The name of the paragraph is Pact for Future. So guys, I'm expecting a question on UNSC. I'm expecting a question on UNSC because UPSC in the previous year, you can see here 2009 has already asked a question on UNSC. You can see here the Security Council of United Nations consists 5 permanent members and remaining 10 members elected by the General Assembly for a term of, so the answer is 2 years. So guys, we can expect a question on UNSC. So guys, let us see what is UNSC and what kind of questions can come on UNSC. So guys, here we are also going to study two groupings, the G4 grouping and the Coffee Club, which can be expected because these two groupings are also related to the topic of UNSC reform. So guys, we can see here, as per the UN Charter Article 23, Security Council consists of 15 members. Out of the 15 members, 5 are permanent members with veto power: China, France, Russia, UK and USA. These are P5 countries which have veto power, and there are 10 non-permanent members. Okay, 5 of which are elected each year by the General Assembly for a period of 2 years. For a period of 2 years. So this has already been asked by UPSC in the previous year. Okay, that what is the term of the non-permanent members? So the term of non-permanent members is 2 years. Guys, here you need to note one thing, that initially there were only 11 members in the Security Council, 5 permanent members and 6 non-permanent members. It was only in 1963 that it was expanded to the present 10 non-permanent members. So guys, we can see here 5 are from Africa and Asia, 1 from Eastern Europe, 2 from Latin America and 2 from Western Europe. Guys, one more thing you need to note, that the voting, the kind of voting, okay, it takes. So for the affirmative vote, there is need for 9 votes. For the affirmative vote, there is need for 9 votes. You can see here UN Charter Article 27 says that votes in Security Council for non-procedural matter shall be made by an affirmative vote of 9 members, including concurring of all the P5 members. So all P5 members along with that, okay, so there are total 9 votes are needed for any non-procedural matters. Okay, one more thing which UPSC can ask, how many times India has been part of the UNSC? How many times India has been part of UNSC? Basically, how many times India has been elected as a non-permanent member? So guys, India has been elected 8 times. India has been elected 8 times. Recently, it was in 2021, 2022. So 8 times, because sometimes UPSC asks such kind of factual questions also. One more thing what you need to remember here is the grouping. Okay, G4 grouping and Coffee Club, all these two groupings, basically they are related to UNSC reform. So G4 are those countries which want to become part of the permanent members of the UNSC. This consists of Brazil, Germany, India, Japan. And the Coffee Club or Unity for Consensus are group of countries which want basically these countries not to become the member of the P5. Okay, so they are opposing in India's membership for the permanent membership of UNSC. You can see here an informal coffee club comprising of 40 members has been instrumental in holding back reforms of UNSC. Most of these members are mid-sized states who oppose bigger regional powers from grabbing the permanent seat of UNSC. The members of the coffee club or Unity for Consensus are Italy, Spain, Australia, Canada, South Korea, Argentina, and Pakistan. So Pakistan opposed India's candidature, Italy opposed the Germany's candidature, and Australia opposed Japan's candidature. So like this, okay, this coffee club or unity for consensus is basically opposing the entry of G4 as the permanent member. So guys, this topic is very, very important. You can expect this question, guys. Like this, I'm doing the PYQ analysis and I am framing important questions on important topics in my test series. If you want to become part of my prelims test series, guys, you can contact this number, telegram this number. Guys, every weekend we have a test. I'm giving every daily targets, and as per the daily targets we have weekly tests. Guys, these tests are very good as per the recent UPSC pattern. And guys, every year a lot of questions from our test series are directly coming in the exam, so do not miss this test series. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.